In this video, we will show you how to send messages from your inReach Mini 2 satellite communicator and how your compatible Garmin Watch can utilize some of your handheld's abilities. We will start with sending a check-in message directly from your inReach Mini 2 device. Keep in mind that check-in messages are set up when logged into your Explorer account before you head out on your adventure. These include a predetermined message and contacts. They are a quick and easy way to let your contacts know your location if included and what's happening. With your inReach Mini 2 turned on, select Menu with the OK button in the upper right. Then press down to check in and select it. Your 3 check-ins will be shown. We are going to send the message, "I am starting my trip." Select OK again to send the message. Next, we will send a quick text to a specific contact. Quick texts are a convenient way to make the messaging process quicker. To begin, select the menu with the OK button, then select Send Message. Now scroll down and select your contacts. By selecting MapShare, anyone with your MapShare link will be able to follow along. Finally, scroll up and select Next. A message can be entered on your inReach Mini 2, but a list of quick text messages can also be sent. These are created through your Explorer account. Scroll down and select the message you would like to send. Once selected, edits can be made to the message. When ready to send, select the check mark. The selected message and recipients will be shown. Press the OK button to send your quick text. Now we will show you how your compatible Garmin Watch can also use the common inReach Mini 2 functions. To do this, you will need the inReach remote widget on your watch. We are going to be using a Fenix 7 series smartwatch, but the process is similar on other compatible multisport watches. For other devices, please see your owner's manual or visit support.garmin.com. On your Fenix 7, press and hold the menu button. Then scroll down and select Sensors and Accessories, followed by Add New. Then select inReach. Your watch will begin searching for nearby devices. On your inReach Mini 2, select the menu. Then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll down and select inReach Remote. Turn the status to On. With your Fenix 7 and inReach Mini 2 near each other, your handheld will be found. On your watch, press the Start-Stop button to select the inReach Mini 2 device. Then select the check mark. Now that the pairing process has been completed, anytime your inReach Mini 2 is turned on and within 10 feet, the inReach Remote widget can be used on your Fenix 7 watch. With the inReach Remote widget, your watch can trigger an SOS, stop or start tracking, and send and view messages from your inReach Mini 2 handheld. From the watch face, press the up or down button to scroll to the inReach Remote widget. Then select it with the Start-Stop button. Previously sent messages will be displayed. Hit the Start-Stop button again. Select Messages, then scroll up and select New Message. Now select Select Contacts. Each contact can be selected with the Start-Stop button. When finished, scroll up and select Done. Here, you can either type your message or send a quick text. We will be sending a quick text. Select Pick Quick Text. When you've found the message you'd like to send, select it. Now you can edit your message. When finished, select the check mark followed by Send. Just like on your inReach Mini 2, a check-in or preset message is very quick to send. From the inReach Remote widget, scroll down and select Send Preset. Then select one of the 3 preset messages. Your message will be sent to the predetermined contacts. Tracking can also be started from your Fenix 7, so others can follow your adventure. From the inReach Remote widget, scroll down and select Tracking. the tracking icon will be shown on your inReach Mini 2 device. Initiating an SOS can also be done from the watch. It is even easier than sending a message. However, this should only be done when there is a need. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.